Welcome to PreMath. In this video, we have got this yellow shaded quarter circle with the center B, fully inscribed in a trapezoid ABCD, as you can see in this given diagram, such that E is the point of tangency. And moreover, the area of this quarter circle has been given to us as 100 times pi centimeter square. And furthermore, the base AD of this trapezoid is 10 centimeter, whereas this diagonal CD length is 25 centimeter. And now our task is to calculate the area of this trapezoid ABCD. Please don't forget to give a thumbs up and subscribe. And please keep in mind that this figure may not be 100% true to the scale. Let's go ahead and get started. And in this video, I'm going to share with you with two different approaches. So therefore, please watch the video till the very end. And here's our very first method. And now since the area of this quarter circle has been given to us as 100 times pi. So therefore, we are going to calculate the radius lowercase r of this quarter circle. And now let's recall the area of a circle formula. Area is always equal to pi r square, where lowercase r is the radius. So therefore, the quarter circle area is going to be pi times r square divided by 4. And now we know our quarter circle area is 100 times pi. So I'm going to substitute that 100 times pi over here. So therefore, we could write pi times r square divided by 4 equals to 100 times pi. And here we can see this pi, and pi is gone. So therefore, we are ended up with r square divided by 4 equals to 100. And now I'm going to multiply both sides by 4. I'm going to multiply 4 on the right hand side as well. And here we can see 4 and 4 is gone. So therefore, r square value simply turns out to be 400. And now I'm going to undo this square by taking a square root on both sides. So therefore, our radius lowercase r value simply turns out to be 20 centimeter. So thus radius AB length turns out to be 20 centimeter, as you can see over here. And now since we are interested in calculating the area of the trapezoid, and now let's recall the area of a trapezoid formula. Area is always equal to height times the bases a plus b all over 2. And here we can see the height h of this trapezoid is 20. The base a of this trapezoid is 10 centimeter. So therefore, now our task is to calculate this base BC. And in this next step, I am going to connect this center B with this point A, as you can see in this next step. And now we can see this BE is the radius of this quarter circle, and we know the radius is 20. So this quarter circle radius is going to be 20. And now let's recall the circle theorem. According to this theorem, the angle between the radius and the tangent line will always be exactly 90 degrees. So no wonder this angle BEC is going to be a 90 degrees angle, since this is our radius and this is our tangent line. And now let's recall the two tangents theorem. According to this theorem, if two tangent segments are drawn to one circle from the same external point, then they are congruent, as you can see in this given diagram. And here we got O as external point, whereas points A and B are our points of tangency. Then according to this theorem, this segment AO is going to be congruent to this segment BO. So therefore, we conclude that this segment DE length has got to be equal to this segment AD length. If this is 10, then this DE length is 10 units as well. And now let's make an observation. We know that this whole CD length is 25, and this segment DE length is 10. So therefore this segment CE length is going to be 15 centimeter. And now we are going to focus on this right triangle BEC, and we are going to apply the Pythagorean theorem on this triangle. And here's our Pythagorean theorem: a square plus b square equal to c square. I'm going to label this hypotenuse as x, and our other two legs are 15 and 20. Let's go ahead and fill in the blanks in this Pythagorean formula. So we got 15 square plus 20 square equals to x square. So therefore x square is going to be equal to 625. And now I'm going to undo this square by taking the square root on both sides. So therefore our x value simply turns out to be 25 centimeter. So thus our this x value, which is our this BC length, turns out to be 25. And now let's make an observation. We can see that this base of this trapezoid is exactly same as this diagonal. And here's our final step. Now we are going to calculate the area of this trapezoid. And now let's recall the area of a trapezoid formula once again. Area equals to height h times the base is a plus b all over 2. And here I'm going to label our height h as 20, our base a is 10, and our base b is 25. So therefore this trapezoid area is going to be, our height is 20 divided by 2 times our a value is 10 plus b value is 25. And now we can see 20 divided by 2 reduces to 10, and 10 plus 25 is going to give us 35, and that is going to be equal to 350 centimeter square, the area of the trapezoid. So thus the area of that trapezoid turns out to be 350 centimeters square by using the very first method. And now I'm going to share with you the second method as well. And now let's recap. In the previous step we already figured out the radius of this quarter circle as 20, and this radius is actually the height of this trapezoid h, and we know our base lowercase a is 10 centimeter. And now in this method I'm going to show you how to calculate the base b as well. And we are going to use this very simple formula. Radius r square is going to be equal to 2 times ab minus a square. And we know our a value is 10. Once again, a value is 10, and our radius lowercase r value is 20. So we can calculate b over here. Let's go ahead and fill in the blanks. Our radius is 20 square equals to 2 times our a value is 10 times b minus 10 square, and we can see that's going to give us 400 equals to 20 times b minus 100. And now we are going to add 100 on both sides. This is gone. So therefore 20 times b value is going to be equal to 400 plus 100 is going to give us 500. And now I'm going to divide by 20 to isolate b. This 20 and 20 is gone. So therefore our lowercase b value turns out to be simply 25 centimeter. So thus our this b value turns out to be 25 centimeter by using the second method as well. So therefore our trapezoid area is going to be simply height is 20 divided by 2 times 10 plus 25, exactly the same way we did in previous step. So therefore our trapezoid area turns out to be 350 centimeters square by using the second method as well. So thus the area of this trapezoid turns out to be 350 centimeters square by using both methods. And that's our final answer. Thanks for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more exciting videos. Bye.